Hi guys, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be cutting out two fabrics that we need to make our pockets, one for the right and one for the left. Now the measurements that we're going to be working with is the width is going to be 8 inches, the length is going to be 11 inches. After cutting out your pocket pieces, align it with your trouser on the hip side. This is to ensure that your pocket pieces have the same hip curve as your trouser. So now this is me trying to align my own. You know that when we cut our pocket pieces, we cut it at straight on both sides. So now the essence of aligning it and then highlighting the excess with chalk and then cutting it out is to ensure that it have the same hip curve as your trouser. So now guys, this is what it looks like after cutting out the excess on the hip area. You can see that they align so well and both also looks the same on the hip area. They have the same hip curve. Then align your fabrics right sides together and then go ahead on the waistline of your pocket pieces. Mark out 1 inches. That is 1 inches for my sewing allowance and then 1.5 for my pocket opening. So at the end of the day, what I have in total is 2.5 inches. Then at the point where I mark 2.5 inches on the waistline on my pocket pieces, measure down 8 inches to the hip line and then chalk it down and mark it out with your straight ruler. It should be looking slant like this when you're done. Then you can go ahead and pin down your fabric and then take it to your machine and stitch it on that line where we marked. Now this is me sewing down my own on that exact line that we marked. Please, when you're done, kindly ensure that you top sew it. I always love to do this. It helps your sewing to relax better. Once you're done top sewing, go ahead and trim out the excess. So this is me now trimming out the excess and then I just left 0.5 inch allowance. So once that is done, go ahead and top sew the mouth of your pocket. The essence of top sewing is to give it a very fine look, but then if you don't want to top sew the mouth, sometimes I don't like to top sew it. I'll just have to leave it like that, but most times it actually gives it a better look. So the next thing is to close down our pocket on the right side. Ensure that you do this with your pocket pieces facing the right side. So now this is what my own looks like. And yes, our pocket is coming together already. So you just go ahead and turn in your pocket so that the rough side is going to be on the inside of your pocket. And now this is what my own pocket looks like from the inside. So this is what it looks like on the outside. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the back side of my trouser to the front side of my trouser and then join it on the side by 1 inch allowance. And this is me finishing up, and ta-da, this is what our pocket looks like. Yes, it looks so beautiful. Kindly go ahead, comment, like, share, and please guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys in my next video.